Hey guys, it's Naturally Yaya, and today I'm bringing you some handcrafted crochet braids all the way from Sierra Leone. Yes, made in Africa, West Africa to be more specific. Before I go into more details, here's the hair pattern that I used. I was inspired by YouTuber SEUN, and I will list more of her details down in the description box below. I originally wanted to do individuals in the front, but guys, I just could not get my hands and my hair to cooperate with that technique. So back to the company, the name is FemAfric. Look at this gorgeous bag that the hair came in. Inside I got a wooden crochet tool, which is beautiful. I had to show it. And look at this beauty on this card. She's so gorgeous. But this card tells you a little bit more about the company and what it stands for. There's a picture of the actual phenomenal women in West Africa who hand braided these crochet braids. What I love about this company is that it's all about women empowerment. These crochet braids were made by women for women. This is a Black-owned business, and I believe in investing in our own people. With your support with buying these crochet braids, you are creating income on a global scale for these talented hairstylists. In turn, you are protecting your own hair with crochet braids made by your own people, supporting your own people, putting the money back into the community. I could literally go on for days about the beauty of this company, but you guys go check out their website, read up on them, and learn a little bit more about FemAfric. Alright, so here's a close-up of how I am crocheting my hair. You guys, I'm no expert at this, and this was absolutely my first time, so I'm giving you this tutorial at your own risk. So I think I did a pretty good job for my first time, so if you can learn something from this, then I am very, very happy. Now, as you can see, it's kind of spacey right now, but I go back and fill it in later. So let me try to explain this. I went through the hair, open latched at a V shape. Then I attached the hair and pulled it through underneath the braid. At the very end, you push down that loop, and then you attach the very ends, close the latch, and then pull the hair all the way up. You pull it through the loop, pull it back through the loop, and then push it all the way up. So I hope that makes sense, you guys. I'm gonna show it a couple times so you can kind of get it, and you can definitely rewind and pause so you can see how to do this. Now, I have seen some people who go through the braid instead of underneath the braid, but being that it was my first time, I wanted to take the safest route, and also wanted to do the route that was will be better as far as protecting the hair, because I didn't have any weave or any kind of extensions added to my cornrow braids. So yeah, here are a few more shots of that so you guys can really get it. So here's a close-up of me attaching the very ends of the hair to the crochet tool and closing the latch, and then you're going to just pull the hair through the loop and pull it all the way up. That's pretty much it, you guys. Really, especially when dealing with color, it's about how you place them to kind of give the illusion of actual box braids. I did the best I could with this pattern, but I feel like this pattern probably works better with hair that is black and not hair that is colored, but I did the best I could to kind of cover up majority of the braids, and I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. Yeah, that's basically it, you guys. Here are a few styles that I did for it, and I just enjoyed this. I enjoyed working with this company. I am so inspired by this company to want to do more for my people, to do more for the community. And did I mention that these came from West Africa? Handmade, not in a factory, nowhere else in the world but Africa. Like, that says enough right there. Like, I'm just so blown away by this company. I'm so extremely happy and humbled to be able to work with this company and work with these ladies to help empower them and invest in their future and their children's future. So this is so beautiful, you guys. Please go check them out. Please go check out the website and do your part for the community. Please like and subscribe for more videos, you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.